In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a live call in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to set up a call that your members can join with confidence. I'll walk you through the process and share quick tips to keep everything clear and professional. Start by opening your browser and searching for Skool. This helps you land on the official site quickly. Once the results load, click the official Skool link so you're taken to the correct platform. If you manage multiple communities, you'll be able to choose the right one after you sign in. Log in with your account credentials. Make sure you have the proper permissions to create events in the community you're working with. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, you might need to switch to a community where you're an admin or moderator. From inside your community, go to the calendar. You'll usually find it in the main navigation. This is where all upcoming calls and events live, and it's where members will look first when they want to see what's scheduled. In the top right corner, click the plus Add Event button. This opens the event editor, where you'll enter the details of your live call. Give your call a clear, descriptive name. For example, weekly Q&A or onboarding call works great. Keep it short but specific so members instantly understand the purpose of the session. Set the date and time by choosing your start and end. Skool automatically shows the correct local time to every member based on their own time zone, which takes the guesswork out of scheduling across regions. Still, double-check your own time zone and duration to make sure the call doesn't overlap with anything else. Paste your meeting link in the meeting link field. This can be a Zoom, Google Meet, or YouTube Live URL. Test the link in another tab before you save, and make sure it points to the right room or live stream. If this is a recurring call, open the repeat dropdown and choose the pattern that fits, like weekly or monthly. This saves time and keeps your calendar consistent. You can always update the series later if your schedule changes. Choose the visibility setting. Select all members if the call is open to everyone, or pick specific course if you want only members with access to that course to see and join the event. When everything looks good, click Save. Your live call now appears on the community calendar. Members will see it in their own local time, and they can join directly from the link you added. That's it. Your live session is scheduled and ready to go.